The 2023 MP3 model receives a new, larger front end. The bodywork is wider and now looks like a hockey goalie's mask. The LED headlamps are slimmer than previous designs, and front turn signals are integrated into the wheel arches, which Piaggio says are design elements inspired by modern automotive trends. A 530cc engine replaces the previous 493cc Powerplant at the top of the MP3 range. Piaggio claims the new engine produces more than 44 horsepower, the same peak as the previous engine, but Piaggio says the larger engine provides a significant increase in torque. The Piaggio MP3400 HPE and Piaggio MP3400 HPE Sport are back, with updated engines to reduce noise and vibration. The 400cc version claims an output of 35 horsepower and improves fuel economy over the previous engine. The new 7-inch TFT display replaces the previous generation's dual analog dial and MP3 LCD screen. The full-color screen is the centerpiece of the MP3's infotainment system, with smartphone integration and GPS navigation. Anti-skid regulation ABS and ASR, a form of traction control, comes standard across the range. The MP3 530 exclusive adds 3 engine modes to choose from: Comfort, Eco and Sport, Cruise Control, plus a new reverse gear with a backup camera to make it easier to install 3-wheeled vehicles in tight spaces. The exclusive also features the Blind Spot Information System (BLIS), which warns motorists of objects within a radius of 30 meters (98 feet), as well as the Lane Change Decision Aid System (LCDAS) to warn against potential collisions when trying to change lanes. Other features include a reshaped seat, reduced weight, keyless ignition, a slimmer tail, and a tire-hugging license plate mount. Piaggio's line of MP3 reverse trikes has a new flagship model. The 530 HPE exclusive is powered by a new 530cc engine that produces a claimed 44 horsepower. Piaggio says its new motor trike is the safest scooter in the world, thanks to new rider aids, better safety features and even a backup camera for use with reverse gear. First introduced in 2006, the MP3 is named after its 3-wheel design, which was meant to improve front-end grip and stability, especially in bad weather. More than 230,000 megapixels 3s have been sold since the line was introduced. Tricycles are so popular in some European countries that only a driver's license is required for legal road use. While the previous 2 generations of the MP3 haven't exactly been a huge sales success in the United States, it has achieved something of a cult status among enthusiasts here, and Piaggio's approach in recent years has only been to offer its best models to customers. Don't expect to see the HPE MP3 400 or MP3 HPE 400 Sport debuting alongside the 530. At first glance, the changes to the style of the MP3 give it a sharper, more modern look. Piaggio says the design is meant to look more automotive. Wider bodywork at the front for greater protection, full LED lighting with DRLs, and turn signals integrated into the bodywork replacing last general stock lights. The tail also has a distinctive car-like appearance. A 7-inch TFT screen occupies the dashboard. The Mia Piaggio app connects the rider's smartphone to standard fare such as navigation, music and phone calls on the road. The storage area under the seat opens electronically and accommodates 2 full-face helmets. It almost goes without saying that the world's safest scooter combines Piaggio's braking, ABS and traction control ASR. The lineup's biggest technological advancement is the MP3 530 exclusive's new Advanced Rider Aid System ARAS with sensors to detect nearby vehicles. A warning is displayed on the dashboard if another vehicle enters the exclusive blind spot. Another function called Lane Change Decision Aid System LCDAS monitors traffic behind the trike up to 100 to 115 feet. If another vehicle is quickly approaching from behind, warnings from sensors can give drivers valuable time to choose the safest lane position. The bike features cruise control, 3 riding modes: Comfort, Eco and Sport, reverse gear and even a backup camera. All that technology, front wheel grip, and luxury comes at a cost. The MP3 530 HPE exclusive weighs 617 wet-pounds, it's claimed. That's over 50 pounds more than the BMW R1250 GS weighs on the RevZilla scales. It seems that, in an attempt to make the MP3 appear more automotive, Piaggio may have been flying too close to the sun. But with the new MP3 technology and the disappearance of the short-lived Yamaha Nikon, Piaggio is once again the undisputed ruler of the reverse trike world.